Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera everyone. Today I will be presenting our group project for mechanics of machine. Our group project was on battery operated hammering machine. Hammering is a prevalent technique in the mechanical engineering and manufacturing industries. Hammering is used in most sectors that are involved in the manufacture and machining of metal components. Furthermore, hammering is a common technique in the woodworking business. The goal of this project is to design and build a battery-operated hammering machine that can perform hammering operations quickly and efficiently. Furthermore, because the hammering procedure is performed manually, it might result in a variety of various forms of injuries to the operators. Furthermore, the efficiency and accuracy required in hammering activities are not attained by manual hammering operations, which is another disadvantage. As a result, this project, which intends to develop and fabricate a battery-operated hammering machine, has been chosen for consideration. A simple device. It will prove useful in a variety of situations. Accuracy is now required in the industry, and the tolerances that can be used are restricted to extremely small values. A key feature of this project is the enhancement of operations as well as the safety of the personnel and their equipment. Consider the hammering operation that is being performed on a massive metal piece as an example. If this equipment is used, there will be only little chances of injury to the operators, whereas manual procedures can cause severe damage. Furthermore, this instrument will aid in the achievement of the needed level of accuracy. If this automated hammering machine is developed on a commercial basis and made available to a variety of businesses, it has the potential to bring about significant changes in those industries. Equipments used were angle compasses, Fusion 360, which is a software used to do 3D models for product design, a linkage software, and some drawing tools. The procedure for our project was, throughout the development process, kinematic diagrams and dynamic behavior of the mechanisms will be investigated, utilizing trial and error to formulate a functioning machine that achieves the objective set, ensuring the linkage and parameter set allows for cohesive operation. The direction and magnitude of known velocities and accelerations are drawn from velocity analysis and acceleration analysis, respectively. Using this, any unknown variables can be calculated and determined, advancing towards calculating the force analysis and expanding in upon the mechanism. The load in this mechanism was calculated using the equation of force equilibrium. These were the results we obtained during the project. Hammering is a frequent industrial and construction activity, with hammering being the most popular. When hammering or skewing metal sheets, components, or other materials together, a great amount of time and work is necessary. In this section, we show a battery-operated hammering machine system that allows for a full hammering action. A 12-volt battery can be used to hammer accurately, swiftly, and automatically, wherever and whenever it is needed. All that is required to utilize the hammering machine is to place the workpiece inside and start it. This device can be used on an as-needed basis as a battery-operated pounding machine, where we are utilizing a DC motor to move the hammer around. The DC motor is supplied with a pulley that is connected to a bigger pulley to guarantee effective power transfer and torque improvement. It has a connecting rod that connects it to a shaft. The diameter of this massive pulley is roughly 3.5 inches. This rod is used to generate lateral motion from the rotating shaft. The slider crank mechanism is employed in this project as a design mechanism. The use of a slider crank mechanism converts the rotational motion into linear motion. To complete this circuit, we need to attach a slider and a crank to the rod. The rotating motion of the DC motor is converted from the motion of the hammer to the rotary motion of the motor using a connecting rod and a slider crank.